As with any other electrical equipment, basic safety precautions should always be followed. Make sure you watch this guide and follow the safety instructions in the owner's manual. Before we start with the installation, it's important to identify the best place to mount the camera. This is a very important step for your PoolScout, as proper placement is critical to maintaining system accuracy, which will help minimize false alarms. The ideal mounting location should allow for an unobstructed view of the entire pool. The camera location should be between 7 to 10 feet off the ground, tilted downward, slightly towards the center of the pool. Allow up to 25 feet from the nearest edge of the pool to the camera location. The alarm module can be mounted within 3 feet of the camera. The mounting location should be within 100 feet of a power outlet and the home router. Now you have selected the ideal location, let's get started with mounting the hardware. Disconnect the junction box cover and remove the rear knockout. Disconnect the fastener from inside the box in order to remove the junction box cover. Position the junction box, drill the required holes, and then, once the cables have been routed through the house, thread in the cables. Allow some slack for connecting the cables and then proceed to fasten the junction box to the mounting location so that the power and Ethernet cables are threaded in through the rear knockout. Now, to prepare the camera unit, thread the camera cables through the cover and then fasten the camera to the junction box cover. Bring the camera up to the junction box and reconnect the cover fastener to the mounted junction box. Make sure the power cable is not yet connected to a power source. Then connect the power, Ethernet, and alarm cables to the camera. Thread the alarm cable through the side access hole and then proceed to securing the alarm connections inside the junction box, as outlined here and in the manual. Once all the connections inside the junction box have been completed, secure the box cover to the junction box while making sure the camera is pointed in the general direction of the pool. The alarm module can be positioned within 3 feet of the camera unit at a location of your choice. Perform the required cable connections according to the owner's manual, and then close the alarm cover. It is recommended to caulk the junction box to ensure a tight seal. Connect the power cable to the power source and allow 1 minute for the camera unit to power up. The PoolScout camera has an articulated hinge to allow easy adjustment of the camera. The camera should be aimed at the center of the pool. Once set, we can progress to pairing the camera with the app. Open the app on the pool owner's cell phone and follow the steps. You will be prompted for the camera's MAC address. Locate this on the camera unit and type into the app in order to pair the camera with the pool owner's cell phone. Follow the remaining steps in the app to complete the setup. Once done, your PoolScout service should be up and running, constantly monitoring your pool and alerting you of unsafe events. If you have any problems, contact support in the app or on the website.